Welcome to the Zebrabuzz platform. Today, I'll guide you through using live chat to manage your Facebook and Instagram page messages. With the live chat interface, you or your employees can easily view recent conversations and simultaneously chat with users directly, without needing to open Facebook or Instagram Messenger. Before we get started, please ensure you have a Zebrabuzz account and connect your Facebook page or Instagram account to Zebrabuzz. If you haven't done this, please watch the video link in the description for a step-by-step guide on setting up your account and connecting it to Zebrabuzz. If you've done that, here is how to use live chat. Start by clicking on Live Chat in the left sidebar of the Zebrabuzz dashboard. Instantly, the live chat interface will appear. This interface shows the live chat for the Facebook page or Instagram account you've connected. This is a simple but powerful interface where you will manage and chat with your users. This is how it works. Open your Facebook page in a separate tab or window of your browser and send yourself a message using Messenger. Return to the live chat window in Zebrabuzz. You'll see that the message will appear here. You can also reply directly in this window. The user will receive your message on their Facebook Messenger or Instagram. So, this messaging window allows you to chat directly with users, bypassing any automated bot replies you've set up. However, you have to do one important setting. In the Action Settings section on the right, scroll down and click Pause Bot Reply. This will pause all the bot replies you set and ensure that you have full control over direct conversations with your users. Note that you can resume your bot reply when you want to. Here, on the right side, you will see the details of the user you are chatting with currently, the name, the language, etc. You can set other configurations in this Actions section. For example, you can create a new label. Click Create Label. Enter the new label's name and click Create Label. The label will be created and automatically selected. When you're done with these settings, click Save Changes. It's that simple. Enjoy seamless chats with your users directly through Zebrabuzz Live Chat. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us here or at zebrabuzz.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like our video. See you next time.